The cucumber variety used in this video is the Tsubasa, purchased from the Taki Seed Company in Japan. I've planted this variety since 2019 and have been quite pleased with it. I've planted a wide range of cucumbers since I made my first planting in 1972 as a commercial veg crop farmer in Hawaii, and believe that this is the best Japanese-style long cucumber that I've ever cultivated. In this video, I use orthene, acephate, which may or may not be authorized for use on cucumbers where you are. However, it is approved for use in Japan with cucumbers. It's a systemic insecticide which is quite effective against various insects, especially aphids. I also use a commercial 14-14-14 chemical fertilizer. If you're into non-chemical farming, please skip the orthene and fertilizer steps in the video. I use 9 centimeter, 3.5-inch vinyl plastic pots for cucumber seedlings. Those produced in Japan can be reused. From my experience, they last a minimum of about 5 years. I discard them when they get hard and crack easily. Just for the record, I used to reuse my plastic pots in Hawaii as well, although the high year-round temperatures made them wear out a bit quicker. I wish everyone who watches this video the best of success in making seedlings.